The letter is A for apple. B for bird. Bird. Okay. Next one is K for cat. D for dog. That's it.
E for egg.
Fantastic. F for fly. Fly. Very good. Fly. And
G for goat.
goat. Very good. There's some goats around here, aren't there?
H for hen.
Hen. We saw some hens walking here today, didn't we? Hen.
Ice cream. I for ice cream.
Oh, very good.
J for jet.
That's a jet. Jet.
Jet.
J for Jenny, which is me.
ಅದು
And
ಸೌಂಡ್
J
ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು
So
ಜೆ ಜ
J.
ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಜ ಫಾರ್ ಜೆಟ್ ಜ ಫಾರ್ ಜೆಟ್ ಆ ತರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ
So J for Jenny and J for jet. Okay.
K for kite.
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 K is the sound and it's K for kite. L for lad. That's a name for a little boy. That's a word for a little boy, lad. L for lad. That's it.
lad
Lad. D. And M for man. M
For man.
and the letter is M. M, but the sound is M for man. N is the sound, but the letter is N. N is for nest. That's where birds lay their eggs. Nest. Over here we have O is for ox. Ox. He's got a big old ox, like a cow. It's an ox. Looks like a cow. P is for
Pig.
P is for
Pig.
very good. And the sound is P for pig. P, pig. Over we go. Is Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Queen. R, which is R, is the sound is R, is for rat. R is for rat. Over here we've got your name starts with S, but we have S is the letter and the sound makes is for ship. 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 That is a ship.
Sheep.
Ship. T is for train. Train. T is for train. Train. Over here we have the letter is up, U, and the sound is up, and this word is uncle. Uncle. It's like you're in the family. You're not your mother and father, but your uncle. He's your brother, your father's brother, as uncle. U is for uncle. V is for van. So V, the sound is V, and it is van. The letter is V, but the sound is V for van. Over here we have W. The sound is W, the letter is W, but the sound is W. So we all together we go W, W, L, well. The word is well. That's right. This is an X. And the word is a very long word. It says xylophone. Xylophone. It's a very big word. Very good. And you make music on it. There's these, and you go like this and make music on it. Okay. Over here we have Y, which is Y, and the sound is Y. Y for in there is yarn. They're balls of wool, and they are called yarn. Yarn. Here we have Z, and the sound is Z, and the word is zoo. Very good. You know lots of words, don't you? Now they're the letters that we're going to learn, and with the stories we're going to learn to read, we're going to use all these letters. Okay. So with the letters
ಹೊಸ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೋ ಲೆಸನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಆ ಪದಗಳು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸರಿನಾ?
So with the letters that we're learning, these are the big letters, and the same we have, but we have little letters, smaller. So we've got a big A, and we've got a little a. Okay, this is called a capital or uppercase, and this is a small one, a lowercase. So they're both the same letters, but they look different because one is a big letter, capital, and one is a little one. Okay, so they both say the letter. What sound do they both make? A. They both make the sound A. Okay. And we have, when we've got B, we have a big B, and a little B. So they both make the sound B. One's a uppercase or capital, big one, and this is a little b. Okay, but they both make the sound B. All together? B. Very good. We'll just show you the different ones, and you might be able to help me. This one is the big letter. What's the sound?
S.
And this is the little one. What's the sound? So they're both C's. They're both C's, and they both make the sound K. For cat. K for cat. Okay? So one's a big one and one's a little one. And G, hang on, I have to get that one there. This is a big D, and this is a little D, so one's a capital, a big one and a little one. They both make the letter, the sound D. D for dog. Dog. D for dog. D for dog. Okay? Next one is the letter. Do you know what letter this is? What letter is this?
E.
E. Very good. E is for egg. 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 The chicken lays an egg. So we've got a big egg and a little one. But they both are E's, and they both make the sound E for egg.
E for egg. Egg. E for egg. A. Sound and E. A.
Now, this is a little F, and this is a big F. They both make the sound F. That's right. Foot for foot. Foot. Your foot starts with foot. So that is a big F and a little F, and the sound is foot for foot. Okay? Next one is G. That's right. So we've got a big G and a little G, but they both make the sound G. 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 Can you hear that? G. They make the sound G for girl. Girl starts with G. Girl. And good starts with good. Girl starts with G. Okay. Now the next one is Whose name starts with this? Hey. Your name starts with this. That's right. Your name starts with this. Hey. So this is the letter H. That's right. That's right. And the sound is H. So this is a big H and a little H. But they both, the small one, that's right. They both make the sound H. Okay. For head. That's right. You said head. Head. Now, H-I. I'm just looking for. I've got. I'm not sure what this is the I, which is I for ice cream. Yes, we all like ice cream. And I don't. I think this is the I. This is the big I for. This is the little I and this is the big I. And they both make the sound I for in. That's right. In. Ice cream makes a sound, a different sound because we've got an E on the end. So these both are it for in. That's right. Okay? The next one is I.
J for jug.
J for
Jug.
Right. Jenny, and this is a big J and a little J. They both are J's and they both make the sound J for Jenny, which is me. Okay? And here we have K. They both look the same. One's big and one's small, but they both look the same. They are K. Can we all say it together? K for kick. Kicking. Key. Very good. K is key. Very good. And the next one we have is L. That is a little L and a big L, and the sound is O for lolly. Does anyone like lolly? Lolly. Sometimes we have a lolly. And what else can we think of that starts with L? Lion. Oh, that's right. A lion starts with L. So L is the sound. Okay, very good. Now the next one we have is M, and the sound is monkey. Yes. And this is a big M, and that's the little M, and the sound is Someone's name starts with M. Yeah? Whose name starts with M?
Big M.
That's right. Starts with M. So also monkey starts with M. I saw a monkey yesterday. This is a little N and a big N. And the sound is And what starts with Can we think of something? Did we see something in the book?
Nose.
Nose. What's your nose? Nose. Nest. The nest was in the book. Neck. Very good. Neck. So we've got nose and neck, and they start with Very good. Excellent. Now, you must have a very good teacher.
Orange.
O is for orange. O is for orange. It makes an O sound. O. Okay? And that's a big one, and that's a little one. Okay, they look the same. Here we have
Pig.
Parrot is for pig. Pink. Pen. Yeah. Lots of things start with pig. What's that? Oh, yes. Lots of things start with P. So that's the big P and the little P, and the sound is P. All together, what's the sound? All together, the sound is P. P is for pig. Very good. Q. This is Q. This is a big Q and a little Q. And Q is for Queen. The Queen starts with Q. Not many words start with Q. And not many words have Q in them, but it's important to know. Q. And we've got an R and a little R. They both make the sound of R. Together? And what is the colour of your shirt? T-shirt. 40K T-shirt is red. And so is your top. Red. That's right. And we have let's say the word is a big. Hang on, wait a minute. Wait. Just big S and little S. What's the sound though? And what starts with S? Snake. And whose name starts with S? Whose name here starts with S? Your name starts with S. Your name starts with S. They all start with S. 4 people. Very good. Now, the next one we have is T. For, now what's the sound? When it's a big T and this is a little T. So the sound is T. Can we say? T. Sound is T. So what starts with T? Tiger. Tiger starts with 2. 2 starts with 2. Very good. Next one we have U. This is U. Uncle. Very good. This is an umbrella. Very good. This is a big U and this is a little U. They look small one. They look the same. They haven't changed, but one's big and one's small. And uncle starts with U and umbrella starts with U. Very good. Very good. And the next one we have is a big V and a little V, and the sound is and a word is van. Very good. Van. Excellent. The next one is one's a big W and one's a small W, but they look the same, and the sound they make is work. Together, work. Very good. And what word? Sorry, what word starts with watch? Watch starts with work, doesn't it? Very good. And we have X is a big X and a little X. They look the same, and the sound is X. Ox. Ox is a word, an animal that has X in it. Very good. X. And X-ray, when you go to the doctor, if you have a broken arm or leg, they do an X-ray. So they put you under a machine and it looks at the bones in your body. And it starts with X. X-ray. And Y, this is a big Y and a little Y. They don't look exactly the same, but they have the same sound. They have a Y sound. Y. Y. What starts with Y? Yeah. Yes, yeah, you. Yellow. Very good. Your skirt's yellow. Starts with you. Yellow. Very good. Very good. And the last one we have is and what starts, and this makes a sound like a bee makes a sound like buzz, and it's got a Z in it, two Z's in it. Zoo. Zip, yep, and zero. Zebra with stripes, that's right. Very good, you know lots of words. This is the next one, which is, we're going to spell out the words, okay? The B at the back, and a F at the fat, R at the rat, S at the sack, on, K at the cat. We'll say it all together, we'll say the sentence. The bag and a fat rat sat on a cat. Very good. And point to the words when you say them so you can see which ones. The next one is, we're going to spell it out, is the last page. Yeah. The F at the fat, K at the cat, S at the sack, on a M at the mat. All together we say the fat cat sat on a mat. On the A and on. Very good. Give you all a clap. All very clever children. Very clever. That was very good, wasn't it? Yeah, very good. Very clever. We've got questions at the back, but you can do that with your teacher. We've got extra words there, which is pat the dog, or cat, or hat. We wear a hat on our head. That's right. H-A-T, hat. So we can make other words. I'll see, we've got k there for hat, and we've got H we need. Okay, we've got one there. Beautiful, beautiful words. Everyone's very clever. Very clever. What animal sat on the mat first?
Question answer. What animal sat on a mat? Which animal sat on a mat? ಯಾವ animal mat ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಿತ್ತು first?
So have a look at your book.
Book ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂದೆ
and see.
Cat.
No.
Rat.
The fat rat sat on the mat. So he was the first one to sit on the mat. The rat.
The fat rat sat on the mat. So first rat mat ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಿತ್ತು.
The next one was how many animals in the story?
ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇದೆ?
How many animals in
ಎಷ್ಟು
the
ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ? No.
How many animals?
Cat,
What?
Nine.
Cat.
What sort of
Rat.
So what?
Bat. How many?
How many animals?
Three.
Cat. Cat. Bat. How many animals?
Cat, rat, bat. Only 3 animals. How many animals?
Three animals.
So first ಒಂದು rat ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು rat ಹೋಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ rat ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ rat ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೌಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ rat ಹೋಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ರ್ಯಾಟನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಟನ್ನ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಬಿಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ.
Very good.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
The